YouTube friends and family. I've been back to the Dollar Tree. So, the seeds are gone at a lot of the stores. The Dollar Trees, the Dollar Generals. I went to 3 or 4 stores, never saw any seeds until I got to one store. So if you're still looking for seeds at the Dollar Tree, go to areas with a high concentration of apartments and check those stores. If you're in Jacksonville, I went to the store on Atlantic Boulevard near Regency Square Mall. That's a high concentration of apartment, townhouse, that kind of community. So a lot of those people don't garden. Okay? So where the populations are thick with apartments, that's where you go to find your $4 seeds at this day and time, because most of these stores are sold out. You might find a few flower seeds, those wildflower boxes of seeds, stuff like that, but you're not finding the $4 food seeds. So I do have a little haul for you. Check out my store walkthroughs. I've been doing them in shorts, so you know I can draw more attention to the channel. We still need our watch hours. Go ahead and help a sister out. Whatever you can do my most watched playlist. You can do gardening. If you love gardening, I have a whole playlist. I have over 700 videos. So if you are old to the channel, new to the channel, catch up. Go give me a few watch hours while you're at it. I really need your help. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is JC. I'm a single mother of one 16-year-old son, and I garden in an HOA community. I do a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, budget meals, all kinds of clearance hauls, all of that. So take a look. Take a look. And I'm about to come out with some more informational videos with important information about what's going on now. Now. I have 20 years in the mortgage industry, and I see the writing on the wall, so those videos are coming. I just need some truth serum, and I haven't been able to drink, because I need to tell y'all the truth with truth serum. Y'all need the truth about what's really going on. The smoke and mirrors is not going to be revealed until the end of the year, but I already know and see what's going on. So keep playing it with it if you want to. Go ahead and hit that bell, and I will be releasing that video soon. Okay, so Dollar Tree. I'm filming today, so in my next 2 videos, will be wearing the same shirt. But I have a couple of other announcements in my next video. So I went to Dollar Tree. I found these no-bake bites, cookie dough, chocolate brownies with chocolate drizzle. You know what? I didn't check the date, but it's October of 2024 for $1.25. These kids are going to be home for the summertime. Make 2 treats a week. Homemade. Don't buy them $4 packs of cookies. When this is $1.25, it's your treat for the first half of the week. Once it's gone, then I'll make some more on Wednesday. I'll make them on Sunday and Wednesday. You know, so this is to help you out on your budgeting over the summer. Food is expensive, and they're going to be at home eating it all. So take that word of advice. I have the Mr. Beast cookies. So I bought 2 of the peanut butter chocolate chip and 1 of the Just chocolate chip. I'll be able to try those shortly. I always buy forks because I get tired of washing dishes. So I try to keep those in the house. And my receipt. The new item. Oh, another receipt. They need to fix the ink in their printer, because Fetch is not accepting these half printed receipts. So we got the new item. Let me see, can I hold this? Bam! So I'm still not seeing the Bear dupe with the square hand sanitizer, but they're coming out with all of this in our area. So this is what they have this week, and I was able to get all the scents, the orange, the lavender, and the coconut. So they sticking with that theme. But remember on my last video, I showed you this. So this is what they brought out first, which is a little stick pen with hand sanitizer. So like if you're a man and you want to keep some in your coat pocket or your shirt pocket or something like that, or you want to keep it in your purse clipped to the side for easy access. And then this one is for, you know, your desk or whatever. So I did grab actually 4 of those because I really was on the lookout for, yes, I grabbed the 2 oranges because I was really on the lookout for the orange. So then I grabbed these. So I saw some hacks of where you can put these over your potted flowers, like flatten them out and put them over your potted flowers. And these are the cocoa core, you know, holes. But they didn't have the baskets anymore, the metal baskets to put them in. They just had the cocoa core holes at the store I went to, which I'm still shocked to see that they had that. And then a friend of mine was looking for some beet seeds. And again, I went to 3-4 because I'm all over town. I drive. So I'm all over town. And I was looking for the beet seeds for her. So I was able to find plenty. They had a whole display. I didn't even film it. Duh. They had a wall display of seeds at this Dollar Tree. And they had a little carousel of seeds. And I saw seeds I've never seen Dollar Tree carry. Let me know below if you saw these seeds at Dollar Tree. Well, we always see the beet seeds. And let me know below if your Dollar Tree is out of seeds. I found 6 beet seeds. Because, you know, they only give you a little bit of seeds in here. And I plant them around my fruit trees. So I can empty one of these in one, you know, little plant session, putting them in various places around the yard. So I got 6 beets. 4 of them are for my friend. Oh, well, I'm going to put these. Let's put them right there because they're going with the seeds. I got, and these are actually growing very well. I bought some before. I planted them before. And hopefully I'll do a garden tour before I pull them up, so that you can see how well these Dollar Tree seeds grow. But they are the container radishes. I bought the French, what are they? French breakfast container radishes. I brought these, and I tell you, every one of them seeds germinated. Every one. And I can put those around my fruit trees too. Here's another beet. So apparently I grabbed 7 beets. Then I brought these globe radishes, these scarlet, early scarlet child, let me fix it. Early scarlet globe radishes, 20 to 30 days. Quick food, 20 to 30 days. I'm hearing they're good sauteed. I'm gonna find out soon because my French breakfast is almost ready. And I planted those about 30 days ago, so they really probably are ready. But I will try to show y'all how well those things germinated. In my cement trays, my cement tray setup, I'll link that video above where I explain how I set that up. That's a good small space technique that you can get a lot of your salad, you know, salad foods. And then I bought turnips. These are purple top, white globe turnips. And you really aren't supposed to do these till fall, September to February in my zone. And then these are the same. I bought some more Swiss chard September to February in my zone. And this is the mixed colors rainbow. And then I bought garden beans. And these are, why they say September to February and I just dropped beans out 2 weeks ago. I literally just dropped my beans not even 2 weeks ago, last week. And they have sprouted. They have sprouted. They're getting water. They ready to go. And this is one I had never seen. And why I only bought one pack. So, Cherokee wax yellow beans. Yellow bush. Okay, so I can drop these. Well, they say September to February too. They may not make it. It's too hot for this. But I'll drop them in September. And I got a good spot for them since they're bush beans. So I'll wait and follow the seed packet a little bit. Even though seeds ain't reading no seed packet. If they want to grow, they going to grow. Now, because even this say September to February. Lies, lies, and deceit. Because my standard feed calendar says, I want to say they said you could plant them up to last month. But have you ever seen them with corn at the Dollar Tree? And this is early golden bantam hybrid. I have never seen corn at the Dollar Tree. But they have them. And they still have them in Jacksonville, Florida, Zone 9A right now at certain stores. And I don't know if they're planning on bringing out another round at all the stores, but, or I just looked out and found a needle in a haystack. So, here is another new item that I was shocked to see. I normally get these from Harbor Freight. But bam, the bug zapper. This will go well in that barbecue basket. Who want flies on their ribs? Not me. So, these were $1.25. They do take batteries. Let me see if I can figure out which kind. Look like 2 AA's. 2 AA batteries. I like the small petite size. The one from Harbor Freight is bigger, but they are way more expensive than $1.25. They've gone so far up in price that it's ridiculous. So that can go, that's for a basket. That's for a basket. Okay. Mother's Day cards, birthday cards. They're the spot for the Mother's Day and birthday cards. $1.25, and let me see. They don't have retail $2.39, and retail, they don't have a retail on that one. But yeah, that's the spot for birthday and Mother's Day cards. Then I saw, oh, my glasses got a little fog to them. It's so hot. You know, it's 93 and 95 degrees here today. Oh, my goodness. It's hot today. So, this is a nail polish applicator. If you're a little shaky, this is supposed to help stabilize you. I'm going to give it a try. Dollar Tree still. Oh, this is the end of the haul. Okay. Oh, here's some more seeds. I am loving my zinnias. I am absolutely loving my zinnias. So I brought 4 more packs. Can never have too many zinnia seeds. And again, I am loving my zinnias. Those candy canes are just stunning. They are stunning. They bring so much joy to me. So I did give you some extra zinnia seeds. They also have vegetable brushes now in the Dollar Tree brand. So to scrub off our potatoes, to scrub off those beets, radishes, and things that we growing, we need our veggie brush. Because somebody, every time I buy one, they be using it for, they use it for dishes. And I'm like, I don't know if I want to use it after you've used it for dishes. So I did show you on my short this new brand of nail polishes that they're carrying, Candy Moyo. These retail $7 to $9.99. Retail $7 to $9.99. So 60-second quick dry. So I say I'm gonna try it. This is forest green though. I thought this was blue. But we're gonna try it and see what it does. And then this is new to me. 100 sheets of parchment paper. Now I saw a TikTok or some kind of Instagram, TikTok, something. Scrolling through that internet. And they did pancakes in the air fryer. So and they were like, they just put down a piece of parchment paper. You know, put down a little pancake batter. Another piece of parchment paper. More pancake batter. Did a little stack. And cooked it in the air fryer. Isn't that amazing? So I said I was going to give that a try. Or maybe cameraman will give it a try on Mother's Day. And I was looking for a single hair pick on one of my other hauls. I bought the 3-piece set for a pick. But I thought this was the cutest hair pick for when my hair is not braided down. I can pick it out. And let my soul glow in my afro puff. Okay? And then headquarter for party supplies. Gift basket bags. I grabbed one. Now, what I do notice, this used to have 2 bags in it, and it only has 1. Shrinkflation. And then they have 2 banners in here. 2 banners. And then the numbers. I've used this before for cameraman's birthday. So I really like these. They have the straw inside to blow them up. Can you see that? No, you can't even see the straw in there. You have it in here. Have the straw inside to huff and puff and blow them up. So that was it for that haul. I hope you enjoyed that haul. I hope if you saw some things, let me know if you saw something that's new to you. Because I try to keep up with the Dollar Tree trends and the new things coming out. And as always, prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. And stay safe out there. Keep your head on swivel. Watch your surroundings. As I always preach, watch your surroundings. This world is changing. People are desperate. And have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.